Do you want to instantly maximize your screen space? Whether you are trying to focus, play a game, or watch a video, switching to full screen takes just a second. In this video, we will look at the absolute fastest ways to activate full screen mode on any app. Let's dive right in. First up, let's look at web browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Opera on Windows. The ultimate shortcut here is simple. Just tap the F11 key on your keyboard. Boom! Instant full screen. To get back to normal, just press F11 one more time. Now, if F11 key is not working on your keyboard, don't worry. There is an easy alternative. Move your mouse to the top right corner of your web browser and click the three dots. Look down at the zoom section and you will see a small icon with diagonal arrows. Click that and you are in full screen. Next up, let's talk about watching videos on platforms like YouTube or Netflix. The most common way to go full screen is to simply move your mouse over to the video player to bring up the controls. Now look at the bottom right corner and click the square full screen icon. But here's a pro tip that is even faster. On almost all major streaming platforms, you can just double-click anywhere directly on the video to instantly enter full screen mode. Double-click again and you are right back to your normal view. It is that easy. Finally, let's look at other common applications. If you are launching a PC game on Windows and it opens in a small window, you can force it into full screen mode by pressing Alt and Enter on your keyboard at the same time. Moreover, if you are working in Microsoft Word or Office 365 and want to hide all the distracting menus to just focus on your writing, use the shortcut Ctrl and Shift and F1. This toggles the full screen clean view instantly. And there you have it, the fastest ways to activate full screen across all your favorite apps. If this quick guide saved you some time, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight to the point tech tips.